New to our inventory here at Tameron, we have this 2020 Ford F-150 Lariat Edition Crew Cab. Outside, we have a rear backup camera system, automatic high beam headlights, and power door mirrors. Inside, you'll find spacious leather seating for 5 with heated and cooled front seats, push-to-start technology, and auto-dimming rearview mirror. The 8-inch LCD display comes preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This one-owner 2020 Ford F-150 has less than 33,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck buyback protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.